Hi friends, the new lot of beads in gemstones has been just arrived. A close look, you may be interested in some of them or maybe all of them. They are in various kinds of stones with various styles, various cuts, various shapes, and you know it very well that where these can be used, they can be used in as a pendant, as in earrings, bracelets, or many other things, because you are more creative than us. We are the provider of the stones, beads, bindings, jewelry. If you need any of them with a closer look, or more, or you need more detail, then let us know. We'll do it for you with an individual video of a particular thing that you're looking for. I'm sure that these can be a good hit for your shop, your customers, and your wholesale orders. A part of gemstones beads, we are doing lots of fashion items. You can follow us on our Instagram, Facebook, and keep looking on our new articles coming in every month, every day, or every week. Thank you.